my name is Shivij and welcome to my channel TechNotes. So guys, all new Android 12 is out now and all those who have the Google Pixel smartphone can try this beta version on their smartphone. And some other partner companies like OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo can also try this new Android 12 on their smartphones. So guys, the new Android 12 is a huge redesign and it basically focuses on privacy and personalization. So today in this video, I'll tell you all the new features which are there in this new Android 12 beta version. So guys, now talking about the first feature, which is the personalization. So everything, including the colors, including the shapes, light and motion, everything has changed in the Android 12. And with the help of Android 12, you can customize your smartphone in your own way. And because of all these updates, Android has now become more expressive and more dynamic. So in the Android 12, if you have a Google Pixel device, then you can personalize your own custom color and you can also add up a lot of more widgets. And then there is one more interesting feature, which is the color extraction. So for example, you have a blue background on a smartphone. So all the widgets and everything on the smartphone will change to a bluish theme, which will match your wallpaper on your smartphone. So the second upgrade on the Android 12 is about the animation. So a lot of animations have changed in the Android 12. So you all know that you can see your notifications on the lock screen with the clock or the time given above. But if you clear all your notifications from lock screen or when you're caught up, so what it will do is the clock or the time which is being displayed there will become larger. So for example, when you reach to the end of a particular page, so if you try to scroll more, so it shows a shadow animation. But now that's removed in Android 12. But instead of that, we have a stretchy animation in Android 12. And the Android devices with the Android 12 will become more efficient and more smoother. And the third upgrade to this Android 12 is the redesigned system spaces. So in Android 12, all the notification shade or the notification panel, quick settings and the volume up, volume down button, power button have all been redesigned so that it gives you a more vibrant and a more crisp look. And instead of those small buttons on your quick settings when you scroll down from the notifications, instead of those small buttons, we have larger tiles. So these larger tiles help you discover more information about that particular setting. And you don't need to go to the settings application to change something, but you can do it quickly from the quick settings option now. The Google Pay option and the home control option has also been added to the quick settings panel. So now let's move to the fourth and the most important upgrade in Android 12, which is about the privacy, about your privacy. So Google has made a lot of changes to privacy in the Android 12. So now in Android 12, you can easily control how much private information you want the apps to access. So now we have a new privacy dashboard in Android 12 from where you can control what information you want the apps to access very easily. And it will also tell you that what permission or what information was accessed by a particular app on a particular time. And in this dashboard, you can easily make changes to what permissions you want the app to access. And there's one more feature related to privacy in Android 12. So for example, your Instagram is using your location. So what it will do is it will display a green indicator on the top right corner of your smartphone, which will tell you that this app is accessing your location or this particular app is accessing your microphone and many other things. And you can also limit your location access to that particular app. So for example, when an app is accessing your location, so it knows the exact location at where your smartphone is. But if you don't want that, so there's also an approximate location option. So you can switch that on and from there you can give an approximate location of where your smartphone is and where you live so that your location access gets limited. So guys, this Android 12 will be the exact same in the Google Pixel devices when it will become official and will be given as an update. But in some other Android devices, it will not be exactly the same as you see in the pictures, but it will be a little different. But the internal features would be exactly the same. All the things which have been redesigned in Android 12 may get changed in other company smartphones. So guys, this was all about the new features in Android 12. Guys, if you like the videos, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.